Good morning, student. In previous video, we have seen Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. That's why India is considered to be the tropical region. कैसे किसमें आता है वो ट्रॉपिकल रीजन मीन्स वेरी हॉट वेदर. So okay, India faces natural disaster like erratic rainfall, drought, cyclone, flood. Okay, we faces this type of natural disaster, and we have seen that from the middle of Brazil, Tropic of Capricorn and equator passes through the Brazil. Dear student, we are seeing the climate of Brazil as well as India. Means according to the meteorological department in our India, okay, there are 4 seasons. The first is the hot weather season, second the season of rainfall, third season of retreating monsoon, and the fourth is the cold weather season. Okay, all this information we have seen in previous video. Okay, video number 7. Today's video, dear student, it is the activity or homework for you. Okay, observe the, we can say, figure number 4.6 and 4.13. First figure is traffic jam due to the rainfall in Brazil. Next, traffic jam due to the rainfall in India. Okay, dry land in drought affected region in India. Snowfall in India. Rainfall in Brazil. Deforestation in Brazil. A source of water well in India. Drought quadrilateral region in Brazil, and paddy farming in India. Okay, by observing this picture, okay, you have to write the information in your notebook. So dear student, in this way we have seen in this chapter the climate of both countries, India as well as Brazil. Okay, so dear student, in this video, okay, we are seeing the most important you can say information. Okay, page number 30. Do you know temperature in Ganganagar in Rajasthan soared to 50 degrees Celsius in June? So okay, Rajasthan, you know, this by area it is very large state in the country. By area it is a large state in country, and their temperature in Ganganagar, how much is there? 50 degrees Celsius temperature in Rajasthan, in Ganganagar, means too much high temperature in June. Second point, Kargil town often experience temperature as low as minus 48 degrees Celsius in winter, and in the opposite side Kargil, okay, they experience very low temperature is there, means minus 48 in winter season. How much? Minus 40 degrees Celsius, minus 48 degrees Celsius temperature in winter. Third point, Mawsynram 11,872 millimeter and Cherrapunji 11,777 millimeter in East Khasi Hill district of Meghalaya are the wettest place not only in India but also in the world. So this Mawsynram and Cherrapunji, okay, they are receive a very high rainfall in our India. How much? In Mawsynram 11,872 and in Cherrapunji 11,777 millimeter, means near the East Khasi Hill districts, okay, of Meghalaya, means that is very, you can say, wettest place. It is a wettest place in the world. Okay, it is not only in our India but also in the world. Next point, the Jaisalmer in western Rajasthan is the driest place of India. Jaisalmer, okay, Jaisalmer is a, you can say, part of Rajasthan, and there is also very high temperature. That's why that place is called as driest place of India. It receives less than 120 millimeter of rainfall annually, means they receive a very less rainfall. Their annual rainfall is 120 millimeter, means it is very less. 120 millimeter rainfall, annually rainfall. That's why that place, Jaisalmer, okay, is called as driest place of India. Tamil Nadu receive maximum rainfall during the retreating monsoon season. Okay, we have seen in previous video, retreating monsoon means those monsoon wind, okay, blows from the Arabian Sea. Those monsoon wind blows from the Arabian Sea. Okay, they attack to Aravalli mountain. They attack to Aravalli mountain, means Aravalli mountain is obstruction. That's why that's monsoon wind, okay, receive very high rainfall near the coastline, okay, and they receive very less rainfall opposite of Aravalli mountain, okay, and that region is called as rain shadow area, okay, you know very well. But that monsoon wind, okay, directly reach toward Himalaya mountain. Where they reach toward the Himalaya mountain, okay, and they receive their orographic rainfall, and when, okay, they receive their orographic rainfall, okay, they return toward the South India. They return toward the South India, and that's why that wind, okay, receive rainfall in Tamil Nadu. That's why in Tamil Nadu it is called as retreating monsoon season, means in winter season also in Tamil Nadu, okay, they receive rainfall. Okay, this information, okay, we have seen in this video, and dear students, this is very important information for your general knowledge. Okay, next information page number 31. Brazil is a tropical country. Okay, we have seen both country, India as well as Brazil, both country are in the tropical country, because from the India pass Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, and from the Brazil Tropic of Capricorn passes through the Brazil. That's why both countries are in the tropical country. It normally does not receive snowfall. We have seen in our India, okay, western of Himalaya, okay, they receive too much snowfall, but in Brazil they does not receive snowfall, but in the exceptional conditions. But kabhi southern polar air masses reach southern part of the Brazil. So, but in exceptional conditions, southern polar air, okay, masses reach the southern part of Brazil, okay, where they reach southern part of the Brazil. That's why this cause snowfall here. उसकी वजह से कभी-कभी snowfall होता है. Otherwise, there doesn't receive snowfall in Brazil. Snowfall has been recorded in 1879, 1957 and 1985. Okay, in these 3 years, okay, you can see page number 31, okay, they receive 3 times only snowfall, otherwise there is no receive snowfall. Okay, that's why dear student, this lesson climate, okay, we have finished today's video. Dear students, okay, you have to write the question and answer, okay, in your notebook, okay. All these questions you have to write. Next video, okay, we will see next lesson. Thank you.